Test for a bloopers video. Hi everyone, I'm Catherine with GraCee Designs and this is Mornings with GraCee. Today I'm going to share with you a video that I made of all the bloopers and mistakes from my first 3 videos. I thought it would be different and a lot of fun. I hope you'll join me and watch Mornings with GraCee. This is a test. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Hi everyone, I'm Catherine with Hi everyone, I'm Catherine with Mornings. Oh my God. Let's get started. Keep the other one. This is just awful. Hi everyone, I'm Catherine with GraCee Designs and this is Mornings with GraCee. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very easy face covering. What else do I say? Hi everyone. Hi everyone, I'm Catherine with, oh my God. Hi everyone, I'm Catherine with, oh my God. Hi everyone, I'm Catherine with GraCee Designs and this is Mornings with GraCee. I have a pattern for a scrunchie with a matching detachable scarf. Hi everyone, my name is Catherine and this is Mornings with GraCee. Today I'm going to share... Hi everyone, good morning. Hi everyone, I'm Catherine with GraCee Designs and this is Mornings with GraCee. So those are a few of my favorite sewing tools. I hope So those are a few of my favorite sewing tools. I would love to know which ones are yours. I hope you enjoyed this video. Those were a few of my... I hope you enjoyed my favorite things for sewing. My favorite things in sewing. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed GraCee Designs. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share Mornings with GraCee's. Remember to subscribe, like, blah, 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 blah. Hi everyone. So grab your cup of coffee. Grab your cup of coffee, and let's get started. Good morning. Welcome to GraCee's Morning. Okay. 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 Testing. Today we're going to make scrunchies with scarves. And that's it. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. GraCee Designs, Mornings with GraCee.